Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we will learn about Gantt charts. Gantt charts are useful for planning and scheduling projects. They help you assess how long a project should take and plan the order in which you'll complete the tasks. Let's learn how to create a Gantt chart using EdrawMax Online. Log into the EdrawMax Online website, click on Business, and select Project Management. Now select Gantt charts from the subcategory. Click on the plus icon to open a new drawing sheet. Drag and drop the Gantt chart onto the drawing pane. Change the date unit under Gantt chart option. Inserting a new task or subtask and deleting tasks can be done on the right pane as shown. Here you can change the date, time, duration, and more. Click on the library symbol and add the Backgrounds and Borders library under the General category. Drag and drop the required background and border. To add text, select the Text option. To change the font, right-click and choose Select All. Select Fit to Drawing under the View tab. To export the diagram to PDF format, click on File and select Export. To share the chart, click on Share. To publish the chart, click on Publish and fill in the required details. Let's learn how to import Gantt charts from Excel. We'll be importing this Excel spreadsheet. Click Import on the right side of the page and select the Excel spreadsheet. And change the date accordingly. Your Gantt chart is now ready. Now let's see a few examples of the Gantt charts that are available in EdrawMax Online. Click on Templates and select Gantt charts under Project Management and scroll to explore more examples. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more EdrawMax videos.